welcome to my channel. Welcome to another video. So as you can see in today's video, I'm a little comfy. I'm in my bed, you know. Yeah, but today's video is about a package that I received from a friend of mine. I remember the video that I did when I went to North Carolina and stuff like that. Well, yes, I met a family member there and we bonded so well. I really like her and we talk a lot, we go out a lot, but then she told me that she's a lover of makeup and that she watch a lot of makeup videos and stuff like that. She took me to her room and she showed me all the makeup that she have. Yo guys, for somebody who is not a professional makeup artist, this woman have a lot of things. I have a lot of makeup things. I was just going through them and I was like, oh my god, her brushes, everything looks amazing. So she showed me an eyeshadow brand that she has been using and I was like, yo, I've seen everybody on Instagram, YouTube, all makeup artists by now have these things and I don't have them. So I was like, yo, I need these. And then she tried the palette and she tried the different shades, and when I say super pigmented, guys, I mean they were super pigmented and I was like, yo, I need to get my hands on these things. But then she told me that, yo, she's gonna purchase them for me and I was like, yo, seriously? She was like, yeah, I'm gonna purchase them for you and whatever. I was like, okay, thank you. Guys, I have been waiting for them and she did purchase them for me and I am super excited. So this video is me going to show you my box. This box is from Juvia's Place, guys. This palette I wanted. I mean, come on, I wanna have this package already, right? And wanna have them something here, but trust me, in Jamaica them expensive. I mean, there are other things that I could purchase, you know, put into my kit, but one of them, yeah, too expensive out here for me by $3,000. No dear, no dear. But anyways, she bought me and I'm gonna open. I can't wait. I can't wait. I can't wait. Let me calm down. Okay. Well, thank you very much. I can't wait to open it. Okay. So the first thing that is in this is the Juvia's Place receipt. So they put the receipts in the box. Guys, this price on these things cheaper than would have been in Jamaica. Yeah. Oh my god. Three of them. Oh my god, guys. I wanted to get my hands on these for ages and I finally get my hand on this and I'm super excited about it. Guys, I'm really excited about it. Anyways, I can't believe I own three of these. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. Three. I want to put these. Let me come closer. This is what it looks like. Yes. This is what it looks like. upside out. Thank you. Now for the big reveal ever. I want to see what is inside. So, which one should we open first? So I guess I'm going to open this one first. So guys, I so wanted to open this package from the first night I get it, but I just wanted to show you guys how excited I can be over makeup. Yes, I can't control myself. I can't. Okay. It's well packed. And me alone like them stuff here. This is how it looks. Oh, guys, look at this. Alright, I am seeing so many different shades that I can't pronounce, but I think I want to do a test. I'm going to test this one here. Oh my god, guys, look at this. Guys, look at this. Oh my god. Look at this. Oh my god. Oh my god. This one here, I'm going to test this one here. Oh my god, guys, look at me. I'm in love. I am super in love. Alright, next one. So, we're going to open this one. Oh, look. So, I'm not going to look first. I'm going to let you guys look first and then I look afterwards, okay? Right. Oh, sorry. Guys, what do you think? Calm down, Anna. Calm down. Deep breaths. The first shade that I am going to test out is the yellow. The yellow. Let's test. Guys, I think I stained my sheet. Yours? Right. Look at that. I want to try this here. This is like, this is a Fifi, so this Fifi is a must try. Let's try it. Oh, mama. Look at this. Oh my god, guys. And some is still left on my finger. Look at this. I get 1, 2, 3, 4. I get 4 swipes from this. I have plans for these days. No, this one is probably not the newest, but it's the newest one in the family, I think. I remember I saw this the other day on Instagram, and I was like, yo, I really need to try this one out. I mean, this lovely lady was actually reading my mind. I believe that she was reading my mind because when I saw this thing, I was like, yo, I need this one. Look at God. Look at God. Guys, tell us something. Let me tell us something. See, I'm a Christian, right? I'm a good up Christian. I've been in church from I was 12 years old, right? I am now 26 years of age. I'll be 27. And listen, I'm at church from 12. As a matter of fact, I'm born in a church. My mother a missionary and my father a pastor. So me grew up in a church. And let me telling you something. You see, this big bang what people talking about and about this universe and this whole universe giving you stuff when you ask the universe for it. Listen to me. There is a God. You hear me tell you? If you don't want to watch this video, then, but trust me, there is a God. There is something higher out there. There's a higher being out there. Because whenever me pray, guys, something answer my prayer. Must be a God. Universe can answer my prayer. It must be a God. And guys, Mr. This, Mr. God, I need this. Mr. God, me need this. Look at God. Guys, I'm not try to convert him still. But just I make my point. There is a God. Yes, so this is the tribe by Juvius. The tribe by Juvius. This is such a beautiful package. Guys, I don't like green. I don't like green. Green is not my favorite color. But I really don't know my favorite color. Really, but I know I don't like green. Yeah, I don't like army green. I don't like them kind of green. They're them ugly to me. That's my thing. I don't like them. But this is a very beautiful green. I love it. I'm not biased, not because. I'm not biased, not because. I like it. It looks very nice. Now gonna make me cry. I'm not cry. I'm not cry. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Listen. I have to buy more. I have to sacrifice and buy more than quality because I'm seriously, I think in all my videos I'll be using these. You know the next palette I want? You know the next palette I want to get my hands on? It's the James Charles palette. I think I can do so many things with that palette. I need it. So let's try out, because sometimes in my palette, in the other palettes that I have, these colors are very chalky. So whenever I use them, I don't really get the pigment from them. They're just chalky and loose. They're very chalky. So what I have to do if I want to get them out, I have to dip the brush into water to get the nice shade from them. So I think I'm going to try this shade here. And I want to see if this palette is a real must-have. Alright, let's try. Look at that. Great. Let me come closer. Oh, my hand mark up. and I'm going to try it. There's a spot here. Let's see. Nice. Nice. It not that choppy. It not that bad. It not bad, guys. I like it. I'm happy that I have received these 3 packages. I am super grateful. And I just want to thank my friend for it. I mean, you can know the people who mean you well, and she is definitely one of them. My friends, they help me out a lot with my makeup, you know. They really help me out a lot. I mean, and I just want to thank you a lot for on the help. I mean, one of my things, say makeup is a cheaper, it's not a cheaper. If you want to be a professional makeup artist, you have to make sacrifice. It takes a lot of money to buy products. If you don't have persons coming to you, especially if you're an upcoming makeup artist, you don't really have that much people. You don't get as much people coming to you as you, because they don't really trust you that much. You get like people and try to do their makeup, and when you get them, you have to do their makeup in order to showcase your work. And that's what I've been doing sometimes. And some of the persons that I did, that I had to do up, my cousins, my aunts, my sister, yeah, I had to do like a lot of people in order for me to get my work out there. I did myself, and then after a while people start to see my work and be like, okay, yeah, I really like her work and everything, but it's not easy. Yeah, it's not cheap, but we have to make the sacrifice and get these things. And for a friend to look at you and see that you are, you know, doing well and give you what you really need, I am really grateful. You know, them really mean you well. If your friend look for you and buy things where you really need to become successful. I am super excited about these palettes. I will definitely be doing videos on them. I think I'm gonna use them here a lot in my videos. I'm gonna use them a lot, right? Yes, it's probably extra. I may never have to do this, but I really did want them, you know. So I'm grateful for them. So thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for joining me each and every week. I'm trying to have my videos being a little different. And if you like my content and you like what I have been putting out there, then I'm encouraging you. So click the subscribe button down below, yeah, and comment to please help me to get subscribers. Tell a friend, you know, tell a loved one, tell them about it, you know, help me out. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna stop, so thank you for watching. Thank you very much for my 3 palettes. I'm really excited, I'm really happy about them, and I will be trying them out very soon, especially this one. I have ideas for this, a lot of ideas for this. So if you want to see more videos and if you want to see my ideas, then continue watching. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.